Barrister Ejimako, the legal, one of the legal teams of what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has once again raised a strong alarm over the worsening health condition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention. According to him, Kanu is seriously sick right now and in urgent need of medical attention. Ejimako just announced this. He wanted and he warned that if urgent intervention is not provided, the situation may become irreversible and it may be too late. This is what this man actually said. Ejimako noted that several letters and legal appeals have been written, but the government continue to ignore the cause. The lawyer stressed that human rights should not be trampled upon no matter the political differences. He further emphasized that Kanu's life is at stake right now. Kanu's life is seriously at stake right now. Kanu's life is seriously at stake. He is seriously sick right now in detention. He's not getting himself. It is worsening day by day. It is worsening. But they have failed to understand what is actually at stake. He said a lot of things which we are going to show you on this very Success Media. So if you have never subscribed, please kindly subscribe, because we have a lot of things to tell you, to show you about this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. Of course, you know we have been following it up. And where it is really going now, it is no good at all. It is showing red. His health condition is seriously showing red. And federal governments are adamant over this. And the neglect may lead to tragic consequences. Even supporters have equally expressed fear that this is a deliberate attempt to silence him permanently. The health situation, he said, is no longer something to play politics with. Ejimako insisted that the Nigerian government must act quickly to prevent avoidable death if they will listen. He reminded the authority that international law also mandated fair treatment of detainees, where Kanu's health has been a major concern for years, yet no adequate medical access has been granted, which is very bad. According to reports, his condition is deteriorating rapidly inside detention. This lawyer warned that history will judge those who kept quiet while injustice was being done. He argued well-meaning Nigerians and urged them, even international community, to intervene immediately, because the way this case is going is actually coming beyond their control. Seriously, it is heading beyond their control. The lawyer maintained that keeping Kanu alive should be above politics. He called on President Tinubu to take urgent steps in the interest of humanity and justice. Ejimako stressed that nothing is greater than life and no government should take pride in destroying it. He reminded Nigerians that silence in the face of injustice is dangerous. He declared again that urgent medical attention is only way forward. Otherwise, it may be too late and it may be very dangerous. That is what he said. So the condition of Kanu now is very sad. Very sad. Very sad. Condition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now is very sad. And this man has been lamenting. They've written and appealed to the judge and they have refused. So what is actually happening now is a case of political maneuvering. That is what is happening. So this man has actually done his path very well. He kept on writing. So here on this Success Media, we are going to show you what he has been writing and what he just wrote and everything he said about this very condition. We are just going into details now to show you everything Barrister Ejimako has been saying, as if they are not hearing, as if the condition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they don't care about it. Why he is being detained, he still have rights over medical access, over medical attention. It doesn't deprive the detention of anything, but he is still in detention, right? Yes, but he still need what? Medical attention. It is his right. He's said everything severally about this very health condition, but the government have kept adamant on this very case. So, and he's warning of disastrous effect should anything happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The letter signed by Barrister Ejimako special counsel to Kanu and addressed to the Director General of DSS followed the worsening state of the IPOP leader's health in secret police custody. The detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has written to the Department of State Services, DSS, seeking urgent medical attention. The letter signed by Barrister Aloy Ejimako, counsel to Kanu, and addressed to the Director General of DSS followed the worsening state of what? The IPOP leader's health in secret police custody. The letter dated September 23, 2025, entitled Request for your urgent approval of hospital for the admission of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Sought urgent admission for Kanu in the hospital. With reference to the latest medical evaluation of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, by your team of physicians in the presence of his brother, Prince Emma, we hereby seek your kind and urgent approval of the hospital selected for the prompt admission and further management of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's health. The letter obtained by Sahara reporters. According to the letter, the selected hospital is Glover Hospital, located at number 11 Agades Crescent, Wuse 2, Abuja, while the contact physician is Dr. Michael Eze. So this is what they really need, because the condition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is seriously deteriorating, seriously going down. It needs serious intervention right now before it is too late. It may be a disastrous effect on this very country, and they raped our democracy, serious impunity. So they should do the needful right now, restore his health while continue with his legal battle. That is it. His life matters a whole lot. He has a family, he has family members, so they should care about his life. Everything is not politics. This is what this man is just trying to portray on his stances. So we are looking forward to seeing urgent intervention on this very, very matter, because it is seriously worsening, getting out of hand. So we are just waiting to hearing from this legal team that they have granted that very request. So if you have never subscribed to this very channel, please kindly subscribe for more updates and many more on this very channel. Thank you so much and have a lovely day ahead.